Hello everybody, let's talk about W.9 in IXL. We're going to find the missing angles in triangles. Remember, with any triangle, the sum of the three angles has to be 180 degrees. So I'm going to copy this over to OneNote so I can write a little bit. So here we have this triangle, 121 degrees plus 33 degrees plus the unknown, which I'll call x, equals 180. 121 plus 33, that's going to be 154 plus x equals 180. We're going to subtract 154 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 26 degrees. So 26 degrees for that missing angle there. Same idea here. 48, 54, and the unknown. I'm not going to copy it over this time, so let me clear some space. 48, 54, and the unknown. 48 plus 54 plus the unknown angle equals 180. Let's see here. 40 plus 50 is 90. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 90 is 102 plus x equals 180. We subtract 102 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 78 degrees. Two angles in a triangle measure 39 and 2. What's the measure of the third angle? (39) plus 2 plus the unknown is equal to 180. So we get 41 plus x equals 180. We subtract 41 from both sides. X has to equal 139 degrees. 139 there. Two angles in a triangle measure 3 degrees and 161. What's the measure of the third angle? 3 and 161. Okay. 3 plus 161 plus the unknown is equal to x, or equal to 180, I should say. 3 plus 161 is 164 plus x equals 180. We subtract 164, and we get x is equal to 180 minus 164 is 16. 16 is the unknown angle. 16. Okay, find the third angle, 35 and 86. Okay, 35 plus 86, make sure I got those right, 35 and 86, plus the unknown equals 180. All right, well, 30 plus 80 is 110. 5 plus 6 is 11. 110 plus 11 is 121. Plus the unknown is equal to 180. Subtract 121 from both sides. X is equal to, that'd be 59. X equals 59 degrees there. 59. Next one, two of the angles in a triangle measure 28 degrees and 62. What's the measure of the third angle? 28 and 62. All right, let's clear this out. 28 plus 62 plus the unknown is equal to 180. Let's see here. 20 plus 60 is 80. 8 plus 2 is 10. 80 plus 10 is 90. 90 plus x equals 180. 90 plus 90. X has to equal 90 degrees. All right, so 90 on this one. 90. Let's keep moving. Two of the angles in a triangle measure 71 and 24. What's the measure of the third angle? So that'd be 71 plus 24 plus x equals 180. We subtract 95 from both sides, right? 71 plus 24 is 95. We subtract 95 from both sides, and we get 85 degrees. So there you go, 85 degrees. Okay, I went ahead and jumped ahead to 85. They were all pretty much the same up to this point. Here we have a different one though. A right angle. All right, what's the right angle? Oh, sorry, right triangle. A right triangle's got a 90-degree angle, right? So we know one of the angles is 90. Has one angle that has a measure of 5 degrees. So um, here's two ways to do this one. So you could say, well, 90, because that's one of the angles, plus 5 plus the unknown equals 180. And then you can solve for x, right? That's going to be 95 plus x equals 180, which means x has to equal, that's going to be what, 85? 85, right? Okay, that's one way. The other way would be to say, well, if we know it's a right triangle, then the two angles that are not right angles, that'd be the two acute angles in a right triangle, have to have a sum of 90, right? So the two angles that are not right angles in a right triangle have to be complementary. So 5 plus something is 90, x has to equal 85, right? So either way you get 85. However you want to do it, either 5 plus x equals 90 or 90 plus 5 plus x equals 180. So this on the right would always be acceptable. Oh, this is different. An isosceles triangle has an angle that measures 76. What measures are possible for the other two angles? Choose all that apply. Okay, well, if it's isosceles, two of the angles are going to be congruent, so 76 and 76. The other option would be this. So we know one of the angles is 76, and then the other two might be congruent. So plus x equals 180. Okay, so we get 76 plus, what's x plus x? 2x equals 180. We can subtract 76 minus 76, and we get 2x equals, what is that going to be? 104. 104. And now to solve for x, we got to divide by 2. And so we get x equals 104 divided by 2 is 52. 52. So this isosceles triangle, it might be 76, 76, and then something else. We weren't asked to find it, but we could. Or the options are 76, 52, 52. Okay, so 52 and 76. Oh, what did I do wrong? Ah, I misread the question. Okay, so we do have to find that other angle. Okay, all right. Okay, so, all right, well, here's how. I'm glad I missed it, I guess. Good to see the mistake. 76 plus the unknown is equal to 180. So we do have to find that third angle as well. My bad. Okay, 152 plus x equals 180. Okay, and so there you can see when we subtract 152 from both sides, we get x equals 28. So that's where 28 comes from there. So anyway, mistakes happen sometimes. Okay, so here we have another one that's similar to the one I just missed. Let's see if I can get it right this time. In an isosceles triangle, it has the angle measure of 28 degrees. Sorry, an isosceles triangle has an angle that measures 28 degrees. What measures are possible for the other two angles? Well, we know one of them is going to be 28. So we can say 28 plus the unknown is equal to 180. Okay, well 28 plus 28, that's going to be 56 plus x equals 180. We subtract 56 from both sides, and we get x is equal to, let's see here, what is that going to be? 124. 124. The other option is going to be this. So let me go and select 124 before I forget. 124. The other option is going to be, we know one of them's 28, right? 28. And then the other two are the same. So we'll say plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so that'd be 28 plus 2y equals 180. We subtract 28 from both sides, minus 28. And we get 2y equals, that's going to be 152. 152. We divide both sides by 2. And we get y is equal to 76. 76 for y. There we go. Okay. think it's just more of the same. So good luck with this. Have a great day.